grapes from the garden. Almond Jordan, guys. Look. So sweet, guys. Very delicious, guys. Binigay ito ng hardinero, guys. Nanguha siya, guys. So, I will wash this, guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So yummy. Ang dami, guys. Hugasan ko ito, guys. Kain muna tayo, guys. Wow. So yummy. Very cute, guys. Alam nyo, guys, gawin namin ito na juice. Very fresh, guys. Hugasan. At saka ilagay sa strainer. Masarap ito, guys, yung fresh juice niya, guys. Ibalot pa ito, guys, ng hardinero, guys, sa brown envelope, guys, para hindi siya ianuin ng mga ibon. Kasi kinakain ng ibon, guys, pag hindi nakabalot. Ang dami naman, guys, grapes namin, guys. Wow. Ginbalot na siguro yung grapes na ito, guys, sa brown paper, guys, ng hardinero, guys. So yummy. Ano ba ito, guys? Ano ko yung may mga parang ganito, guys. Oh, nakuha ko na. Kasi parang may ano ng ibon. Ganito, guys. Ready na ito, guys. Ano ito, guys? Gawing juice at i-blend ni busing, guys. Tapos magawa ng very fresh juice. Masarap, guys. Kung may ubasan yung amo. Kasi dami kang ubas na makakain, guys. Malaki yung ubasan dito ni busing, guys. Tingnan ninyo, guys. Okay, guys. Very fresh from the garden. Grapes. Green grapes. So delicious. I love it.